Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This video we're gonna take a look on how to change our Flutter app name. So what we're gonna do is you go to what you're gonna do, you go to the REC, you click, you come to Android manifest. Here we have label. So this is how you change the name. I just put capital A here, and then you separate the name. You make it the way you can get this. You can get it on Google search. So by this package, you don't change it. You have to be the same with this one down here. So this all this both of this one have to be the same. You don't change anything from this one. Nothing is changed. So just allow this one, and this one should be the same. So by come here to where you have label, you just change your app name, your Flutter app name, but these two should be the same. So that is how you change your Flutter app name. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.